Hey guys, welcome to channel. Are you ready to ditch those pricey creams and serums and embrace the natural route to a wrinkle-free face? I'm here to guide you through some amazing home remedies that are not only simple but super effective. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk aloe vera. This isn't just your average plant. A study back in 2009 showed that taking a daily supplement of aloe vera gel could significantly reduce the appearance of wrinkles in just 90 days. And in 2015, researchers found that applying aloe gel directly to the skin cut down on wrinkles while boosting collagen and hydration. How cool is that? Next on our list is the humble banana. Yes, you heard that right. Bananas are packed with natural oils and vitamins that can boost your skin's health. Here's a quick tip. Mash a quarter of a banana into a smooth paste. Apply a thin layer on your skin and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with warm water and feel the difference. Moving on to superfoods, which are your best friends when it comes to combating wrinkles. Foods like avocados, chia seeds, and sweet potatoes are loaded with nutrients that can help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Interestingly, a study in 2019 found that men and women who had diets rich in fruits had fewer wrinkles compared to those who indulged more in meat and snacks. Now let's talk egg whites. They can slightly improve your skin's appearance, but the real magic lies in the thin membrane that separates the white from the shell. This little-known secret can lead to a significant reduction in wrinkle depth and boost collagen production. Just remember, if you're allergic to eggs, it's better to skip this one. Essential oils can also be a game changer. Mixing a few drops of oils like argan, lavender, or rose with a carrier oil and applying them to your wrinkles could help reduce their appearance. Always remember to do a patch test first to ensure you're not allergic. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a good facial massage. It not only helps prevent wrinkles, but also reduces stress, which we all know can contribute to those pesky lines. Just a few minutes a day with your fingers can make a noticeable difference. So there you have it, folks. Natural, effective ways to fight wrinkles right from the comfort of your home. Consistency is key, so stick with these remedies and you should see fabulous results. If you loved these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY beauty hacks. Thanks for watching, and here's to your healthiest, most radiant skin yet.